Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Femica. Let's talk about one of the biggest makeup trends that we had this year, monochromatic. We have seen literally the biggest celebrities rock this look on red carpets. So all my lovely people out there, let's learn A to Z all about monochromatic makeup look. To start with, you must know the basics of it. So monochromatic look is basically when you take one color or one tone for that matter and base your entire look on it. So in this one we are doing warm tones only, so that means warm browns. It is going to be super fun and super wearable. So if you want to see how I get from this to this, keep on watching.
So you guys, let's get started. I'm first putting away my hair from the face because of course it's necessary. Then I'm putting in my lenses, and then after that, of course, moisturization is extremely important to get rid of any dry patches. After this, I'm going to apply a illuminating primer. This will give a very nice glow to the face. Then I'll move on to the foundation, and I always like to put foundation in sections so that I have control over them. Then I applied some concealer under my eyes and blended it really well. After that, I'll move on and I'll set my face with some powder. Also, I'm contouring my face with a contouring powder. This will bring back a lot of shape, and also bronzing and contouring in this look is really important as I am going to be basing the whole look on a brown tone. Then I'm moving on with a blush. This blush is also very brownish. Then I'm moving on applying the same bronzer on my eyelids. This will give the perfect look, and I feel like that bronzer works really well for the eyelids too. I'm using the same bronzer on my lower lash line. I'm moving on to a brown eye pencil, and this is a very creamy one, so it will be very easy to blend as well. I'm going to make a very soft wing liner with this one. Lip liner, I went in with a very neutral tone brown. I love this color on my lips, and yeah, it just works really nicely. Then with that, I applied a true tone brown nude to complete the look. I'm curling the lashes and putting on some mascara for some drama. Eyelashes takes a lot of patience for me because I want to coat all the lashes very properly because I'm not going in with any falsies. Now to make the lip look more contoured, I am going in with the same lip liner and just shading my lips, and you can see the technique. This is a very foolproof technique of making the lips look more pouty. And I will just blend it in using my fingers. You do not need any brushes or anything else for this. After this, I'm going to use some beautiful highlighter on my skin, which will give me that beautiful glow. And here is the neutral toned monochromatic look all done.
So guys, here we come to an end of the video. Hope you liked it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, shop at Femica. Do check out all the product links mentioned in the description box and join the community. Welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness, and you can do so by connecting to all our social media platforms. And you can find all those links somewhere on the screen or in the description box below. Also, check out the latest giveaway that's live on Femica's Instagram page. Do participate, and I hope all of you win amazing clean beauty products. And see you at Femica.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.